These are a couple of Carrier air conditioners at a house. It's basic older Carrier air conditioners. Don't know what year they're from. And over here is another one. It's pretty much the same. This is like in a little park. Yeah. I saw these, I guess, Wednesday night. Oh crap, it's a dog. Yeah, there's another one right there. And just since there's dogs, let's go back over these. There's some Rheems in this Rheem stamped Octagons in this same neighborhood. I might come back and film some of those sometime. But yeah, anyways.